everybody, and welcome to week 20 of Babies and Books. Just to let you know, we are now holding sessions in our branch here at Mould at 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock. There is limited availability, so do give the branch a call if you'd like to join in. But in the meantime, we're still here on our little video session, introducing your babies and your little ones to books, having fun and showing you different ways of engaging and reading books with your babies. Okay, we also have a little sing-song, which we always start with our name song and say hello to some of you. So here we go. Our waving hands ready. Hello Ellie, hello Ellie, hello Ellie, it's nice to have you here. Hello Thomas, hello Thomas, hello Thomas, it's nice to have you here. Hello Scarlett, hello Scarlett, hello Scarlett, it's nice to have you here. Hello everybody, hi, and if you would like a shout out, don't forget to pop your name in the comments box below. So our new book that we're starting this week, it's called Fox's Socks. It is a bilingual book. It's by Julia Donaldson and Axel Scheffler, and it's a Book Trust Company book. And in this book is a fox and a little mouse. So the songs that I'm going to be singing today are well-known tunes about the fox and the mouse. Okay, so down in the forest where nobody goes, there's a big red fox washing his clothes with a rub-a-dub here and a rub-a-dub there. That's the way he washes his clothes. Dibbity-doo, da, a boogie-woogie woogie dibbity-doo, da, a boogie-woogie woogie dibbity-doo, da, a boogie-woogie woogie. That's the way he washes his clothes. Down in the forest where nobody goes, there's a little grey mouse washing her clothes with a rub-a-dub here and a rub-a-dub there. That's the way she washes her clothes. Dibbity-doo, da, boogie-woogie woogie dibbity-doo, da, boogie-woogie woogie dibbity-doo, da, a boogie-woogie woogie. That's the way she washes her clothes. Yay! And the next one says, oh where did my little sock go? Oh where can it be? I've looked up high, I've looked down low, it's nowhere that I can see. And then we were going to sing Hickory Dickory Dock, because that's about a little mouse who ran all the way up a clock. So here we go. Hickory Dickory Dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory Dickory Dock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory Dickory Dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck two, the mouse said boo. Hickory Dickory Dock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory Dickory Dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck three, the mouse went wee. Hickory Dickory Dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hooray! Hope you all joined in. So this book, it is kind of aimed a little bit more at older children than newborns particularly, but it doesn't matter what you're reading to your little ones, they will be just happy to hear your voice. So it's a little bit longer than some of the stories we've done before. So, poor old fox has lost his socks. He looks in the chest and finds his vest. Oh. On it goes. I've got cold toes. Under the stair is a shirt to wear. The shirt goes on, but my socks, they've gone? In a cupboard up high, he finds... What does he find? Along with other things, a bow tie. The tie looks neat, but I've got cold feet. Oh, under the mats, he finds his hat. But where are my socks? Says poor old fox. He looks in the clock and finds... Let's have a look. What does he find? He finds one sock! Hooray! Oh, but Fox needs two. What can he do? I wonder, where could he look next? Can he look in here, in the chest? Let's have a look. Open the box. At last, two socks. Can you see it on the Jack in the Box's head there? Oh, well done, little fox. He found his socks. I've got my little fox here. Big cuddle. Oh. Now, Fox could wash his socks. So here, as a little fun activity, I've got my washing up bowl with some water in. Oh, you can't see the water. There is a little bit of water. And I was just going to have a splash. I've got some of my daughter's clothes, doll's clothes here. And I'm going to put it and have a good old splashy splash. And it's just about having fun, feeling the water, and having a little splish splash splosh and gaining a bit of confidence with the water. Mine's cold actually. Maybe you should use some warm water for them too. Oh, that's been lovely, everybody. Thank you very much. And rhyme times are also happening in the branches now. So if you give your local library a call, and we hope to see you all soon. Take care. Au revoir. Bye.